What's up mga ka-trends? Here's today's update of the NY couple. On today's recess activity, recess peer band posted on Instagram her life update in Japan recently. Recess peer band, her look so cute and happy went at the Team Love Planet in Japan that is full of magical. Instagram post, Mommy Maypla posted on Instagram a short video clip that shows that it was so beautiful. As you can see, Mommy Maypla is also enjoys it. Today, on Nadek's activity, Nadek and Gimia got released their interview together with his best friend, Kimberly Ann. They talk about their home in the future with his girlfriend, Urasaya. It looks so nice to see that Nadek opens about it. Yesterday, on Nadek's activity, Nadek Gimia was went to his favorite exercise, which is the boxing. After the exercise, he attends a birthday party together with his friends. As you can see, all of them look so happy.